Hello dear student, once again welcome to this class. In last video we have discussed about the classifications of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon and also the classifications of monohalogen compounds or alkyl halides. In this class we will study about aromatic halogen compounds. What is the aromatic halogen compounds? We know in case of aliphatic, the halogen derivatives of aliphatic compound is called aliphatic halogen compounds, while the halogen derivatives of arenes are called aromatic halogen compounds. We can say what is the definition of aromatic halogen compounds. The definition of aromatic halogen compound is the halogen derivatives of arenes are called aromatic halogen compounds. You can say the halogen derivatives of the halogen derivatives of aromatic compound, or you can say arenes, are called aromatic halogen compounds. Okay, aromatic halogen compounds. We know very well that what is the arenes or aromatic compound already. You know benzene and derivatives of benzene are called aromatic compounds. Okay. Now, aromatic halogen compounds further classified into two categories. One is nuclear halogen derivatives and second one is side chain halogen derivatives. What is the meaning of nuclear halogen derivatives? Now question arises, what is the meaning of nuclear and what is the meaning of side chain? We will discuss one by one. Nuclear halogen derivatives. In nuclear halogen derivatives, when a hydrogen atoms directly attached to the benzene ring is replaced by a halogen atom, the derivative is obtained is called nuclear halogen derivatives. Once again, I repeat, when the hydrogen atom directly attached to the benzene ring is replaced by halogen atom and the derivative is obtained is called nuclear halogen derivatives. Nuclear halogen derivatives. Let us see some example. Suppose here is a benzene ring and we know very well that every corner of the benzene ring having one hydrogen atom, and when this hydrogen atom, you know, when this hydrogen atoms when replaced by halogen atom may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, the derivative is obtained is called nuclear halogen derivatives. Okay. Now suppose one hydrogen is replaced from here like this and one halogen atom attached to the benzene ring directly. We can write like this. Okay, this derivative is obtained from benzene by the replacement of hydrogen atom from halogen atom is called nuclear halogen derivatives. Nuclear halogen derivatives. Okay, I hope there should not be any confusing. Clear? Now let us see more example. Like this, two hydrogen can be replaced from benzene ring from halogen atom by the halogen atom to form dihalo and dibromobenzene. The name of this compound is dibromobenzene. The name of this compound is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. The name of this compound is 1,2-dibromo. You can write 1,2-dibromobenzene. Okay. Also, more example. C2H5I. Clear? The name of this compound is 2-iodo-ethylbenzene. Ethylbenzene. Okay. In all these compound, halogen atom, in this case bromine, in this case chlorine, and in this case iodine, directly attached to the benzene ring, so it is called nuclear halogen derivatives. These are nuclear halogen derivatives. Okay. Next one is side chain halogen derivatives. Side chain halogen derivatives. In this compound or in this halogen derivatives, the halogen atoms attached to the carbon atom next to benzene ring. Okay, next to benzene ring, that means there should be at least one methyl group or alkyl group should be attached on the benzene ring as a side chain like this. Okay, and this is a side chain because this alkyl group, the member name is methyl, attached directly to the benzene ring, and this is a side chain. And when the hydrogen atom replaced from this carbon by halogen atom, the derivative obtained is known as side chain halogen derivatives. Okay, side chain halogen derivatives. Now one hydrogen atom replaced from here and one halogen atom attached to this carbon, the new compound found CH2X. Okay, CH2X. The name of the compound phenyl halomethane. Phenyl halomethane. If the halogen atom here is a particular member like chlorine, then the name of the compound phenyl chloromethane. Okay, name phenyl chloromethane, and in general it is named as benzyl chloride. This portion is known as benzyl, or you can say benzyl chloride. Clear? Next one is, suppose two hydrogen atoms substituted from here then this compound obtained, and it should be CHClCl. Okay, that means two hydrogen atoms substituted from this methyl group and obtained the product obtained is like this. Okay, and the name of this compound, first of all write phenyl dichloro and methane for this group. Phenyl dichloro and methane. Clear? In common system, the name of this compound is known as benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Why? When all the three atoms substituted from here, substituted from methyl group, the derivative obtained like this. Okay, sorry, CCl like this. Clear? Now the name of the compound phenyl trichloromethane for this carbon. Commonly it is known as benzochlorides. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the aromatic halogen compounds? The aromatic halogen compound is that the halogen derivatives of arenes are called aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds further classified into two categories: nuclear halogen derivatives and second one is side chain halogen derivatives. In nuclear halogen derivatives, halogen atom attached directly to the nucleus of benzene, or you can say directly attached to the benzene ring, while in side chain the halogen atom attached to the side chain on the benzene ring, like this example. Okay, and this is the aromatic halogen compounds. All of our aromatic halogen compounds. Okay, next topic I will teach you in next video. Okay, thank you, all the best.